video of, as you can see, she's on a trampoline.
Can you get my
video?
airplane fly?
Let's do this. Come on.
Can you get my airplane? It's over
Yeah,
there.
sure, I'll get it. But like, as you, so where did it go? Oh. So we're gonna. They go really far. If you don't know how to make these, you want to know how to make these, and you didn't watch last video, go watch right now. Right now.
Right now we say.
Yeah. Oh God. You first? Oh God.
That's all I tell. Okay. If you make me jump high, I can throw it.
Okay, I'll tell you when. Right now.
Yeah.
Go get it.
I'm not.
Come on. Right here. Come on. I'm gonna throw. Oh, like a boss. Let me go really far. I'll throw it right from the camera here. Woo, woo. Watch. I swear, I'm right next to the camera. Woo. Yeah. Bam. Yeah, it's really cool. These airplanes go far, like. Oh, perfect shot. Woo. Right towards the camera. Oh.
Hey, can you get that for me?
Sure, I'll get it. Hey,
You want to use that airplane?
Oh, trickster! It's just like mine. Oh, sorry. It's just like mine when I went to school. Mine, oh, mine like always flew upside down. It was really cool. But I need to make this like my friend did. He like made an airplane out like a spiral cylinder. Woo! Woo! That one like up here. Woo! Probably didn't see it, but yeah. So, airplane fun. Learn how to do this.
My airplane's right behind you.
I know. You could learn how to do this at home. And Callista, come here. Okay. You're back. 1 second. So on. First, I'm planning some stuff to do for the next video. Okay. So this could be airplane fun, and I'll see you next time.